Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout life. This includes the ability to strengthen or weaken connections between neurons, form new connections between neurons, and reorganize neural circuits in response to experience. At the most basic level, neuroplasticity often involves changes at synapses, which are the points of communication between neurons. When neurons communicate repeatedly, the connections between them can become stronger, a process known as long-term potentiation. Different patterns of neural activity, such as changes in the timing or frequency of neuron firing, can instead weaken these connections through a process called long-term depression. These forms of synaptic plasticity are thought to be important cellular mechanisms underlying learning and memory. Neuroplasticity can occur in response to a wide range of experiences. Learning a new skill, practicing a behavior, or being exposed to a new environment can all alter patterns of neural connectivity. Over time, these changes can modify how information is processed in the brain and improve performance on certain tasks. Neuroplasticity also plays an important role in recovery from brain injury. After damage to part of the brain, surviving neural circuits can sometimes reorganize and partially compensate for functions previously supported by the damaged area. Although this compensation is often incomplete, it can contribute to partial recovery of abilities such as movement, sensation, or language. While neuroplasticity allows the brain to adapt in beneficial ways, it can also contribute to maladaptive changes. For example, plasticity-related changes in neural circuits may play a role in chronic pain and many other neurological or psychiatric conditions.